sa akin. Dahil hindi ko sinabi sa'yo noon kung bakit kita iniwan. Mahal ko rin kita sa akin dahil mas nangyari sa akin.
Huwag ka na magmaang-maangan, Alice. Halata naman na ikaw yung tinutukoy ni Drake. Please, please. Ano bang nangyayari? I want to call out and ask them, but I can't. I feel my bird. You did your begging.
Who sits alone talking to the moon? I'm feeling like I'm famous.
What are we doing, Alice?
Yes, Drake.
This
is who I am.
Sa'yo. Childish or not, you're still Alice.
That's crap. Yun lang.
They don't know what I know.
Hindi yun lang, Alice.
When the sun goes
You're fucking obsessed with me. Ikakasal ka na kay Christine. Kako ka ba?
May oras pa ako para umatras, Alice.
Oh, at night when the stars light up,
Boyfriend kita eh!
I sit by myself.
Alam kita, ano bang mali sa ginawa ko?
I'm still in love with you, Alice.
Trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side.
Hindi ko hihingi.
Talking to me too.
Napiliin mo ako. Nararamdaman mo ba?
Sit alone.
Yan ang timbuk ng puso ng lalaking obsessed sa'yo. Sasalita ako. In pride.
Do you ever hear me?
Sa paningin mo, Alice, minahal mo lang ako.
You broke me when you left me in New York.
Nakikilan kita from the story years na Alice, maghihintay ako. Piling na ako magpakatanga, Alice. Hihintay ako, Alice, ha?
Still trying to get to you.
Bigyan mo lang ako